Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Lovely You, and this is the sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Lovely You, and we will be using the sentiment, love is what makes us family, and this little design right here. I'm going to bring in my big shot first. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have the Tasteful label dies. I just really like these shapes. All right, we'll put this aside. And next, I have the Parisian Flourish embossing folder, and I have a piece of Smoky Slate. And we'll just run this through. All right, so we have this here, just like that. Now, I did this card for a color challenge on our team this weekend, so I thought I'd share it. I'm gonna get the little piece that we had cut, and I'm gonna come in with my Coastal Cabana. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block H. So just like that. And then Melon Mambo. And then I have this mounted on clear block A. Just like that. Okay, and I have this metallic edged ribbon. And I was so happy that that was returning into the new catalog. I love this ribbon. I'm going to put this down with some regular old tape. So just like that. And then our card base is basic gray, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So we'll just put this down with some snail. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I did mail out everybody's catalog. So if you have not received it, give it just a couple more days. All right, and then I'm going to come in with some rhinestones. And I'm going to use these smaller ones here. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to make someone feel loved. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!